Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I know you hear the kids in the background. Hey! Calm down. I'm sorry y'all. Y'all know my little one. Okay, today I'm gonna do some mustard fried pork chops, okay? I have assorted pork chops that are already washed and clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to seasoning these. I have my black pepper. You just wanna add that. Okay, just kind of eyeball it. That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm sorry again. Salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt in here. Not a whole lot. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. Get that good. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and add onion powder. That. Okay. I'm also gonna add some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Just wanna put some of that in there. I have some measured. Well, I don't know. I didn't measure. I said I was gonna have some measurements, but I didn't measure. But it'll be okay. But let's go ahead and just get that mixed up together here. Gotta get that seasoning on all over these pork chops. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day out there. Okay, so now what I want to do is add some mustard. It's very, very simple. Very simple. Add that on in there just like that. I'll wash that off here in a second. Okay, so just get that mixed on together here. See, just coat your pork chops. Really good. Kind of rub some on the other pork chops if you have too much on one. And what it does, it just gives it a different taste. It's really, really good. It gives it a different color and taste. Like a little twang to it. It's really good. I did some mustard fried chicken and it was really good. And I also heard that you can do like mustard fried fish. You can do that too. I haven't tried that yet, but I will. Okay. I think they're coated pretty good here. Get that coated up really good. Yeah, that's good. Okay, hope you guys can see that. Okay, so I'm gonna get these gloves off, wash my hands, and we'll get to frying here, okay? Okay, so I have my pork chop. So I also seasoned my flour. I just put a little salt and pepper in my flour. I just want to get these floured up and coated really good. And Leroy is hot over here. I don't know if y'all can see Leroy. You see that smoke? Now, this is our cast iron skillet. For those of you who are new subscribers and haven't heard of Leroy, well, there you have it. That's Leroy. We call him Leroy. And he is good and hot, you guys. Yeah, so we're gonna get that good and fried. Add another one in here. had my skillet. It's about it's on a 5 if you have an electric, so it's on medium. Okay. Gotta get that fried up really good. See that pretty color is turning already? Move it around a little bit. I don't want it to cook too fast or burn, so. Okay, I'm gonna get this cleaned up here. All right, so these pork chops, the first 2 that I put in here, not quite done yet, but almost. See that? Don't that look good? It smells good, I know that. Leroy does his thing, y'all. Love me a cast iron skillet. All right, we're gonna let that cook some more. All right, so these pork chops are nice and done the way I need them to be. Kind of drip that off. And I just put a paper towel on a plate so it can drain some of that grease off. I don't want too much grease. And look at that, I hope y'all can see that. Now what I want to do, I'm going to add some more pork chops and get the rest of these fried up. Let that cook and I shall return. All right, y'all. So this last pork chop is cooking. It's almost done. So I'm gonna get that fried up really good and get ready to make some plates. So I'm just making the mustard fried pork chops, mashed potatoes, and beans. And what I did, I had some leftover pinto beans and I just opened up a can of black eyed peas and I just threw it and mixed it in together. So, hey, it'll be fine. All right, let me finish this pork chop. All right, y'all, so the mustard fried pork chops are done. I hope you guys can see that really good. So, yep, that's it. Okay, I do want to thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.